Yes, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Maths Model Paper 1. This model paper belongs to SCERT Board Model Paper, and in this video, I am going to explain you Mathematics Objective Part B. So see here, this is the first question. Which of the following is an irrational number? Everyone knows that irrational number is not in the P by Q form and also not a perfect square. So 2 by 3 is a P by Q form. 16 by 25, if we this is a what perfect square, because of 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25, square root will get cancelled, and 4 by 5 will left. Okay, and this root 8 is not a perfect square. 0.04, this also we can elaborate in square form, because of 0.02 whole square root will get cancelled. Okay, and 0.04 we can place into easily fractional form. So root 8 is a irrational number. Okay, so first one is option C. Second question, the product of zeros of the cubic polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. So how we can solve this question? Product of zeros, we have the formula of product of zeros. This is what? Alpha beta gamma equals to minus d by a. Okay, so according to this equation, a is what? 2, b is minus 5, c is minus 14, and d is 8. So the formula is what? Minus d by a. You know that. Minus, according to equation, d is what? 8. A is what? 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So product of root is what? Minus 4. That is option A. That is option A. Okay. Now third question, a pair of linear equation which satisfies dependent system. Dependent system. Dependent means it's a coincident system, coincident lines. First of all, we have to check all the lines. Dependent system. So here I have done that. 3x plus 4y equal to 2, 6x plus 8y equal to 4. If you take all the ratios, 3 by 6, a1 by a2, 4 by 8, b1 by b2, and 2 by 4, c1 by c2. So here is what? 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. This all belongs to dependent and coincident lines. So this is the dependent means option B. Option B. We have to choose the option B. This is the answer, option B. Okay. Now fourth one, nth term of AP is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where d represented. Where d represents, you know that in AP d belongs to common difference. That's what, a2 minus a1, like that. Okay, so d is what? Common difference, option B. Fourth is option B. Next, fifth one, the number of digit, 2 digit, the number of 2 digit numbers which are divisible by 3, which are divisible by 3. So 2 digit number starts from 10. Okay, single digit number is what? Up to 9. From 10, 2 digit number will start and it end at 99. Okay, so we have to check from 10 to 99 of divisible by 3. So here I have done, this is what? 2 digit number divisible by 3. 10 is not a divisible by 3. 11 is also not a divisible by 3. 12 is a divisible by 3. So 3 4 are 12. 12 is a divisible of 3. Next 15. Next 18. And last is the 99. Okay. So here what is this? 12a. First term 8. 12. D is what? a2 minus a1, common difference. So a2 is what? This is a1, a2, a3. 15 minus 12 is what? D is equals to 3. Now we have to find that how many numbers in this between 12 to 99. So we have to use the formula nth term. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, an means nth term. What is nth term? 99. Okay, so 99. What is a? A is what? 12. N minus 1. Just now we know d is what? 3. So This 12 is in plus, goes to minus. 99 minus 12 is what? 87. Okay, 87 equals to n minus 1 into 3. 3 is in multiply, goes to divide. If you cancel, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 2 will left, 3 1 the 3, 3 9 are 27, n minus 1. Minus comes to plus, 29 plus 1 equals to 30, n equals to 30. So यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए होगा. तो हम ऑप्शन में देखेंगे कि 30 का है. 30 ऑप्शन ए पे है. ठीक है, तो इसका ऑप्शन क्या रहेगा? ए होगा. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल हुज वर्टिसेस आर. सेंट्रॉइड का फॉर्मूला है यहाँ पे, सिंपल फॉर्मूला है, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 बाई 3, y1 प्लस y2 प्लस y3 बाई 3. तो हम यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट्स लिखेंगे, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 बाई 3. सो हम यहाँ पे इसके प्लेसेस पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. 0 प्लस 3 प्लस 0, राइट. 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 3. ओके, दिस इज वॉट 0 प्लस 0 0 एंड 3 will left 3 by 3. Here also 0 0 gone, 3 will left 3 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 1 comma 1 is the answer. 1 comma 1 is the answer. Okay, this is the sixth question. So here in this, in sixth one, 1 comma 1, it's what? Option B. Option B. So in sixth one, option B is the answer. Next, seventh question, the coordinate of the center of the circle if the end of the diameter are 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. So here you have to draw one circle. This is the end points A and B given in the question already. This is the point center of the circle. So we have to find the center of the circle. So it's what? Midpoint. So we need to substitute this value in the formula of midpoint. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now I substituted that. x1 plus x2, 2 plus minus 2 by 2. y1 is what? Minus 5. y2 is what? 9 by 2. Plus into minus, minus 2 minus 2, 0 by 2. Minus 5 plus 9, 4. Minus into plus minus, 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, so 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 0 by 2 is what? 0. 4 by 2 is what? 2 ones are 2 twos are. 0 comma 2. So here 0 comma 2 is the option D. Option D. 0 comma 2. So here is what? Option D. Is it clear? Now next question. Eighth question, the discriminant of the equation x square plus x plus 1. So here I have done this also. X square plus x plus 1. You know that this is a quadratic equation. Okay, this is what A, this is what B, and this is what C. So we have the formula for discriminant b square minus 4ac. B is 1, 4 in the formula, A is 1, C is 1. 1 1s are 1, 4 1s are, and 4 1s are is what? 4. 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 is that option B. Once we'll check in objective type, minus 3 is option B. Correct. So the answer is ninth question. Which of the following points are the vertices of a triangle? So here the formula for area of triangle, you have to substitute these values in this formula. Simply A 0, 0, B minus 1, 0, C 2, 0. Okay. After substituting the formula, this is the formula for area of triangle. If you get the 0 in the answer, then is what? Vertices of a triangle. So here it's what? You getting the 0. After substituting and simplifying, the answer will be option C. So this satisfy the vertices of a triangle. So option C. Next. Yes, 10th one. The slope of a ladder making an angle 30 degree with the floor is. See here, this is what? Slope of ladder making an angle of 30 degree. So there is a formula tan theta. Okay, slope of ladder like this. So theta is given 30 degree. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. So B is the answer. So option B is correct. 1 by root 3. 11th one, the distance between the points cos alpha 0, 0 comma sin alpha. So here we have to use the formula of distance. There is a formula for distance. AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, x1 y1 x2 y2. So in this we have to substitute in the formula. Okay, 0 minus cos alpha minus cos alpha, minus minus plus, cos into cos, cos square alpha, sin alpha minus 0, sin alpha, sin into sin, sin square alpha. This is a trigonometric identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. The root 1 is what? 1. So in this one, we have to check A is the answer. Option A. Option A will be the answer. Yes, the arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. Among them 2 got 0. The arithmetic mean of remaining students. Yes, the arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. Sum of 30 students got this what? 2 got 0. So if you multiply this all with 30, you will get the complete 1260. So in this 2 got 0. So you have to minus 2 from 30. So it will what? 28. So 1260 by 28. If you cancel this, you will get 45. So 45 is what? Option C. Option C is 45. Right? Option C. 13th one. The probability of getting a king or queen card from the deck of cards. See here, we know in a deck there are complete 52 cards. So number of king is what? 4. Number of king is what? Queen. Number of queen is what? 4. 4 by 52. 4 by 52. 4 1 the 4. 4 13 the 52. Same here also. If you add this both, you will get 2 by 13. That's what option B. Option B. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect means इसमें जो गलत है, अगर आप फर्स्ट वन चेक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको ये बराबर मिलेगा. सेकेंड वन चेक करेंगे बराबर मिलेगा. थर्ड वन टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर एंड हेमिस्फीयर, हम यहाँ पे ये चेक करें. सो यहाँ पे स्फीयर का जो फॉर्मूला है एरिया का 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर है, और हेमिस्फीयर का जो फॉर्मूला है टोटल सरफेस एरिया का 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर है. इफ़ यू कैंसिल दिस पाई आर स्क्वायर यू विल गेट द 4:3. सो एक्चुअली इस पे जो रेशियो आ रहा 4:3 आ रहा, लेकिन इस पे जो स्टेटमेंट में बोला गया वो 2:1 बोला गया. ठीक है, और अगर हम डी वाला भी चेक करेंगे तो वो भी सही आएगा. सो ऑप्शन सी क्या है? ये इनकरेक्ट है, क्योंकि इसका रेशियो आपको इसमें गलत दिया गया. राइट, सो ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट 15th वन. sin 30 प्लस cos 60. sin 30 ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल है, आपको वैल्यू याद होना चाहिए. sin 30 इज़ वॉट? 1/2. cos 60 इज़ 1/2. 1/2 प्लस 1/2 हाफ प्लस हाफ 1. या फिर आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं 2 1 प्लस 1. ओके, 2/2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So 1. 1 means option A. Check option A. Option A is the answer. Among numbers 1 2 3 to 15, the probability of choosing a number which is a multiple of 4. अगर हम बात करेंगे मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 की, सो वो नंबर होंगे क्या होंगे? 4 8 12 16 लाइक दिस. लेकिन यहाँ पे 15 तक ही है, सो हम लेंगे ओनली दिस 3 नंबर्स 4 8 12. तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, तो यहाँ पे आपको ये नंबर्स मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 के ये 3 नंबर्स है, तो इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी होगा 3/15. ठीक है, मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 के ये 3 नंबर्स है 4 8 12. 15 के बीच में, 1 और 15 के बीच में. 3 1s are 3 5s are 1/5. सो 1/5 यहाँ पे ऑप्शन सी है. सी इज़ द आंसर. 17th क्वेश्चन. गीता सेड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट इज़ 1. ना, रॉन्ग है ये. गीता सेड दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है 0. प्रवलिका सेड दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ श्योर इवेंट इज़ 0. ना, प्रवलिका सेड दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ श्योर इवेंट इज़ 1 होता. Athiya said that probability of any event lies in between 0 and 1. Yes, in the above, with whom you will agree? Geeta, Pravalika, Athiya, all the above, all the 3. हम यहाँ पे गीता को एग्री नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि गीता इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 बोल रही. प्रवलिका को भी नहीं बोल सकते. श्योर इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 बोल रही. अतिया प्रोबेबिलिटी जो इवेंट में लाई करता 0 and 1, ये करेक्ट बोल रही. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. 18th क्वेश्चन. द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट 100 नेचुरल नंबर्स. 100 नेचुरल नंबर्स का सम मालूम करना है आपको. इसका फॉर्मूला है एक सिंपल, n इंटू n प्लस 1/2. n की प्लेस पे यहाँ पे 100 लगाएंगे और 100 प्लस 1 हो जाएगा. अगर आप 100 प्लस 1 करेंगे तो 101 होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट 2 1s are 2 50s are 100. 50 को आप 101 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 5050, और वो ऑप्शन सी So 18th वाले में option C is the answer. Okay. So the sum of first 100 natural number is 50 50 5050. The sides PQ and PR of right angle triangle PQ are such that PQ equal to 5 centimeter, PR equal to 13 centimeter. Angle Q is what, 90 degree. We need to find QR. Side QR find करना है. So here just we have to draw the diagram. Right angle triangle PQR. PQ is given 5, PR is given 13. We need to find QR. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So PR is what, 13. 13 is 169. 5 5 is 25. 25 plus goes to minus. If you subtract this, you will get 144. Square becomes root. 144 perfect square is what, 12. So QR is what, 12. That's option C. Option C. Okay. Next. If a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle, then AB plus CD is equal to, simple है, AD plus BC. How? See here. It's very simple. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. You have to know this property. Okay, AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. So it's equal to what? AD plus BC. That's option B. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching our video. This is what model paper 1. In next video, you are going to watch model paper 2. All the best for your exam. Thank you.